No problem, Supradeep. Tomorrow you guys can answer it out. Tomorrow is anyhow doubt clearing session only. So indexing and slicing in series. Indexing is simple. 0, 1, 2, 3. Indexing by the help of the positions. And slicing, just getting a proper slice, a proper part, sub-part out of the series. That is slicing. Okay. So in indexing, what we do, first of all, this is my series. Now, I want to get the scores at the index number 1. What is at index number 1? 0, 1. Bob is at index number 1, so that answer I will get, right? So, if I want to do the slicing, 1:4, when I am using numbers. This is when I'm using numbers, okay? 1:4. If when I'm using numbers, 1:4 means it will start from 1, but it will get ended at 3 only. 4 will be deducted. 4 will be excluded, not included. Okay. After that, when I am using the names, when I'm using this proper names which is given over there, that with that also I can do. These are known as labels. I can do multiple as well. Just pass a list inside that. And but when I want to do the slicing with these labels, that time the last part is not excluded, it is included. Okay, Ankita? Okay, Ankita? Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? I'm asking something, guys. Maximum, minimum, I told you guys in the NumPy part. Maximum, minimum, we learn in NumPy part, Navya. Right now, we are learning about pandas, not NumPy. Okay? And normal dictionary and pandas dictionary. एक second, na? Give me a sec. Yeah, here. There is no difference. There is no pandas dictionary actually. There is no pandas dictionary. Just with the help of NumPy, then use it, Navya. There is no pandas dictionary actually, Navya. Sorry, Ankita. So what happens now? We are having a simple dictionary only. There is not normal dictionary and pandas dictionary. There is only one dictionary of Python. Okay, that is Python dictionary, not normal or pandas. That is Python's dictionary, which I can convert into series with the help of series function of pandas. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me do one thing. Now, I am giving you guys a homework solution only. You can just go through that and let me know if there is any doubts. I will explain that in class. Okay? Yeah. Let me just give you guys the homework questions. Um, Give me a sec. Guys, I sent you all the collab notebook. Did you all receive it? Did you all received it? I have sent you all the collab notebook. Okay, great. So guys, take your time, go through the solutions, run all the solutions, and let me know once done. And if there will be still any doubts, I will clear that in the session. Okay? Take your time. I will be on mute. Just let me know if there will be any issues. Guys, are you done? Okay, that's great, Samya. What about others? Done? What about others, guys? Okay, Saswat. Very good, Zulekha. Great, everyone. Some issues with my leg. Guys, are you able to hear me properly? Guys, are you able to hear me properly? Guys, actually, no, guys, I am getting a warning. There is some issues with my Wi-Fi. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? Just give me 5 minutes. Let me just check that and I will be back, okay? I will be on mute. I will be on mute. Just give me 5 minutes. I will just go and check my Wi-Fi, okay? Just 5 minutes.
Hi everyone. Please wait for 5 more minutes. Meg is having some power cut at her place, so she'll be joining in another 5 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, everyone, am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible,
ma'am.
guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I got the power cut. Now it will not happen. My generator is on. Now my Wi-Fi will not go. Okay, so what I was saying. So everyone is clear with the homework questions?
Ma'am, can you please explain that 15th question only, ma'am?
This one, create a series with one missing value. Sudha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in yesterday's session, I told you guys about NaN. So NaN is empty. Empty means a missing value. So if you want to take NaN value, if you want to put a null value deliberately, you will get it from NumPy. You have to put it as np.nan, then only you will get a null value over here at that particular position, wherever you will put it inside the list. Okay? Okay,
Okay,
Sudha?
ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, here also we have to put it as a numpy as NP, right? Not pandas a PD.
Here also we have to put what? Sorry?
Here also we have to put,
What? We have to put what?
no, we have to put like a pandas a PD, where we have to use pandas PD and numpy as NP.
We have to use NumPy as NP whenever we are in need of that. Here, like I want to use NaN, now I am in need of this NumPy. That is why I'm using it. Pandas though is already over there in the starting, so I'm not using it again and again. It is already imported in this particular notebook.
So that means it's already there. Import pandas, yeah, PD is already there in the program.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So we have to put two. Right now we have to use import panda as a PD first and then put import numpy as NP.
Yeah, you guys can just import it in the starting only and then you guys can use it anytime.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, fine.
Mhm. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone? Please tell me, otherwise we will start with our part number 4. Let's proceed then. Okay, guys, so today we are going to start with our part number 4. So, what are we going to learn over here today? In part number 4, we are going to learn about the functionalities of Panda series. Now, in this, what we are going to learn about doing math with series, like addition, subtraction, applying the functions to the Panda series with the help of apply function, filtering data in a Panda series, dealing with missing values in Panda series, and sorting a Panda series. Along with that, I will tell you guys how to apply the functions to a Panda series, like a math function, and also how to change the index. How to change the index. Yesterday, multiple of you were asking that, ma'am, how to change the index. I told you guys that also, right? Labels, how to change. I told you, right? Do you guys remember? Do you all remember? I told you guys in the yesterday session. Come on, give me an answer, na? With the help of rename, I told you guys yesterday. Here it is. I was taking scores dot name. I was just changing the label first. I was just changing the series label first, and then I was using rename, index, eve. I was making it to Evelyn, David, I was making it to Dave, right? Okay, great. Okay, so now we are going to start with a part number 4's first topic, that is doing math with series. Oh, yeah, this much is fine. Doing math with series, addition, subtraction, and all. So what is it? Now, doing math with Panda series means performing basic arithmetic operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing its values, These operators are applied to each element in the series automatically. These operations are applied to each element in the series automatically. And why do we do this? To quickly adjust or transform the data. To analyze the data by calculating the new values based on the existing data. And to apply the calculations consistently across all values in a data set. Across all values in a data set. Why do we need this? To quickly adjust or transform, to analyze and to apply the calculations consistently. So for that, we are having a real world example like adjusting employee salary. Suppose you manage a company's employee salaries. What you need to do, you want to give everyone a flat $5,000 bonus. You need to deduct $2,000 due to the budget cuts. So this is all you guys have to do. Now, how you will perform the mathematical operations. Now, lists do not directly support any kind of mathematical operations like addition or division on all the values. With the list, what you have to do, you have to loop through the list. With the list, you have to loop through the list. How to loop? With the help of list comprehension like this, you have to loop through the list. See, salaries, these are the 4 salaries I'm having. I want to increase the salary. I want to add 5,000 because I want to give it with bonus this time. So salary plus 5,000 for salary in the salaries. Print increased. So what I'm doing, I'm looping. It is not allowing any kind of addition and subtraction, right? A function it is not allowing. I have to do it with the help of loop. Right? This is series. Clear with this code, guys? Clear with this code?
Ma'am, then it has to be salary plus 5,000 minus 2,000 for salary in salaries.
Sorry.
The next thing is going to be salary plus 5,000 minus 2,000 for salary in salaries.
Yeah, that is like something different. Yeah, that depends upon you how you want to do it. I am just showing you guys that list do not support. Okay. After that, I'm going to create a Panda series. Now, Panda series on this current situation only I will create. Give me a moment. I'll create it. This is my Panda series. I'm just giving them the indexes Elise, Bob, Charlie, and David. This is my Panda series. And now on that, what I am going to do. Now in those only, if I will put now like this, salaries bonus is equal to salaries plus 5,000. Simply, I'm not doing anything. In that only, I'm just adding plus 5,000. Let's see if it will get added. Yes, it is getting added. So direct addition, subtraction, direct mathematical operations we can provide. Direct mathematical operations we can do on our direct mathematical operations we can do on our series. Is it clear, everyone? Now subtraction also you guys can do. I want to do the subtraction. It will get subtracted. Yes, it's easier than the looping, na? It's easier than the looping, right?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
first we
tell
are
me.
giving that 5,000. From that only 2,000 is deducted, right?
No,
Not
no,
from
no. That
salary,
is
right?
salary bonus. That is salary bonus. Salary bonus.
Okay.
Another variable. Salaries is another variable. I'm cutting salaries from salaries only, not salaries bonus.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay. Now, why Pandas series is better? Because it is having a cleaner code. You do not need to write a loop or the list comprehension, right? You have mathematical operations which work directly on the entire series. Readability, code is intuitive and more readable. Performance, Panda series operations are optimized for larger data sets and the faster compared to manual looping, and it is faster than manual looping. So this is why the Panda series are much, much, much better. Any doubts till this point, anyone? Any doubts till this point, anyone? Sudha, if you were saying something, your voice was not clear. So far, so good. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now we will move to the next topic, and the next topic is applying functions to a Panda series. Applying functions to a Panda series. That is apply. Now, what is it? Apply and map are the methods in pandas that let you apply a function to each value in a series. That let you apply a function to each value in a series. These functions can transform or analyze the data in a consistent and efficient way. Okay, I agree. Apply function you guys don't know, but map function, so I have already discussed in the class. Map function we have already discussed in the class. So what is map function? Can anyone tell me what is map function again?
Ma'am, it can iterate on each item on the list.
Okay. What about others? What about others? What is map function, guys? Okay. Very good, Subhradeep. Okay, very good. Okay, great, guys. Great, everyone. Okay. Okay, guys. So I will tell you guys with the help of the examples only. Now, why do we do this? We do this to process or transform the data in book without writing the repetitive and to apply the custom calculations, classifications, or the transformations to each value in the series. To each value in the series. we are having the real world exam, converting the exam scores to grade. Our list of student scores, and you want to assign the grade A, B, C based on this. What you will do, I am going to use the apply function on that, but for that I have to create the series first. This series only I'm going to use. This is my series. And now I have to give the grades. These are the marks. I have to give them the grades. A, B, C. This was my step number 1, create a series, right? Now, what is going to be my step number 2? Define a function to convert the scores to the grades. So for that, what we will do? For that, what we will do? We will write down a function. We will define a function which I am going to use series afterwards. A function. What I want my function to do. This is a user-defined function. Convert to grade. What I'm putting inside my function is the score is greater than or is equal. Just return grade A. Greater than is equals to 80, grade B, else the grade is going to be C. This is how I have created my user-defined function. Are these first two steps clear? First two steps clear, guys? What about others? Okay, great. So this function is assigning A, B, and C scores. Now, step number 3 is going to be apply this function to the series. And how will I do that? With the help of with the help of apply function. So grades is equals to scores because the name of my series is scores. Dot apply. Inside apply, what you have to put the name of this user-defined function. And just print it, you will get your. Just give me what happened.
Ma'am, I think there is a scores. Yes is missing on the second one.
No, I didn't run that actually. That was my mistake. Okay?
Ma'am,
Is it clear, guys?
ma'am,
Yes.
that scores and score is same, ma'am. The second one you
What?
wrote that as score, right? In the elif, else elif. So you put that as score. Here we are starting with the scores. That is a different variable or same variable?
I am taking score here. I'm taking
Okay.
score here. That
No, no,
will
no.
act as the individual score from the whole one. One by one, it will check from there, na?
Okay, okay, okay.
Like loop we do if A in A's, if series in series, right?
No,
Like
that
score
is
in scores.
no, that is fine, ma'am. I'm asking scores or score. We put that as a yes there, right?
That is
Here
like
you
the
put
individual one, and that is like the whole part.
okay, okay. That's what I asked. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, got it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so now tell me everyone is clear with all these 3 steps. Any doubts, anyone? Yes, Saswat. Any doubts, anyone? Apply function is helping me to apply this user-defined function to my series. Apply function is helping me to apply this user-defined function to series. This is user-defined. This is the function which I have created on my own. This is not the function which is already present. And that I can apply with the help of apply function on series. Okay, Samya? Okay, Samya? Great. Oh, Next part, which we are going to learn, what is filtering? Series means selecting only the values that meet certain conditions. That meet certain conditions. Filtering in a series means selecting only the values that meet the certain irrelevant. Guys, is my voice clear? Guys, I'm audible? Voice break. Give me a second, give me a second. Okay, am I audible now? Give me a second. Okay, am I audible, guys? Everyone, am I audible? Please let me know that. I'm so sorry about that, guys. In Punjab, there are so many power cuts going on. Okay, everyone, do let me know if there will be any audio lag again. Okay. Okay. So what I was explaining about filtering, right? So filtering in a Panda series means selecting only the values that meet the certain conditions. It helps to focus on specific data by excluding irrelevant or unwanted entries. So why do we need this? Or why do we do this? We do this to analyze. We do this to analyze only the data that meets a specific condition. Like find students who scored above a certain threshold. Find students who scored above a certain threshold. To clean or pre-process data by removing the unwanted values. To simplify the data sets for the further analysis. So these are the main points why we are going to use this filtering. Why do we need this filtering and why are we going to use that? Now, this why list cannot solve what series can. Let's explore it with the help of example. Let's say you have a score of students in a class and you want to filter out only those who scored above 8. So with the list, what we are going to do? With the list, obviously, I have to put a manual loop, score for score and scores if score is greater than 80, right? Obviously, I have to do that because this is a list. Nothing you can do over here without using a loop, right? But if you're going to use a series, it will become easier. First of all, for that, you have to create a series first. So let me just get a series. Same series only I will take from above. Same series only I'm taking from above, guys. And after that, what are we going to do? We are going to apply the condition on it. What is the condition? I want the students who have scored more than 80. I want the students who have scored above 80. So what I will do, filtering everyone. Do you guys remember filtering? Filtering when we were doing what we were doing in NumPy. Do you guys remember those codes? Very good. Same thing we are going to do again. Same thing we did again. Same thing we did again and we will get our answer. Filtering is going to be same everywhere, guys. Filtering is going to be same everywhere. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Now, if I want to combine the multiple conditions. So, if I want to find out the students who scored between 80 and 100. Guys, is my voice breaking again? Guys,
Ma'am?
yes, yes, Sudha.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you please explain the second one, ma'am?
Second one, sorry, what
That
second one?
high underscore
Let me step.
score.
Are you talking about, okay, got it.
Little bit breaking, ma'am. That means sometime it comes and sometime it goes. So I don't know.
My Wi-Fi is working. I don't know what is happening. My Wi-Fi range is very less. Give me a second. I will just change my position a little. Let me check. Oh, no, it is not raining at all. Actually, there are coming power cuts. It's the season of power cuts in Punjab. Diwali is coming now. So they are putting power cuts. Yeah. But my generator is on. Let me just check. Near Amritsar. Guys, now tell me I've changed my position. Now tell me, is Wi-Fi coming?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
my
Now it
voice
is
coming?
clear, ma'am. Yeah. Fine, ma'am.
Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, now is my voice clear? Everyone, now is my voice clear? Oh, great. Okay, then I will teach you here. Let me put it in. I can totally relate that, sister. That happens multiple times over here in Punjab. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so what I was doing, what I was saying, guys, I was just first of all, Sudha, you tell me. You were saying that, ma'am, please explain that point. Which point you were telling me to explain? First, let me explain that. Sudha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The filtering part, ma'am.
filtering part only, na. So this is the same filtering which we have done over there. This is the same filtering which we have done in NumPy. Same thing we are repeating again. I want the scores more than 80.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yes.
scores, just put scores greater than 80 and you will get the answer. Okay. Every score which is greater than 80, that only I'm getting as my answer now. That is Google Colab, na? That is Google Colab. If you will just hover on it, na, it will show. It will show. It is telling me inside the scores what is present over there. Inside the scores, what is present over there. It is Google Colab. That is Google Gemini thing. Yeah, it is a very cool feature indeed. There is multiple things which you guys, I don't think so. You guys still know about Google Colab. You guys literally have to explore it. There are multiple more things other than this. Do explore it. Do read the documentation. You guys will get to know. It is a very, very fun thing. Okay, so now let's move forward. We were talking about this combined multiple conditions. So now what if I want to take the students on between two things? Like I want the students who scored between. I want the students who scored in between what? 80 and 100. How will I get those students now? Just put two conditions. Just put two conditions with the help of AND operator. 80 scores greater than 80, scores less than 90. And you will get the scores in between 80 and 90. Now, this is combining the multiple conditions over there in Python. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, everyone? Great. Now, dealing with missing values. Dealing with missing values. Pandas. Pandas fails if missing values are present over there in the data. Again, what is happening? Give me a second now. वाईफाई चल रहा है तो हमें स्विच करना है देखिए वाईफाई चल रहा है तेरे रूम च
हम्म,
मेरे कमरे च रेंज नहीं आ रही
रेंज नहीं आ रही है, चल नहीं रहा।
बहुत कट आ रही है यार दे आर नॉट एबल टू लिसन यार
तो ये ना बीच बीच ये करी जाते, सारे करी जाते, शायद इधर भी हो जाते। ऐसा ना फाइबर की दिक्कत है, जियो दे जी में आई वाज ऑन कॉल पे कट हो गया।
मेरा 5G भी नहीं चल रहा ना
हाँ, तो
जियो च प्रॉब्लम है ओ शिट है guys are you able to hear me
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear, ma'am.
able to hear me everyone that's what I have tried everything in Punjab this Jio thing is not working I got to know from my brother this Jio thing is not working properly they have blocked some connections yeah that is why I'm getting these issues if I will connect from my mobile phone then also I will not be able to do because I have Jio SIM today only they are giving me so much headache because I'm not able to connect anything yes I came home due to Diwali vacations yeah I live in Bangalore only but I came home so that is why it is happening I can understand give me a second now guys 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 guys
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay so I have got Okay, I'm seeing that it is becoming really, really frustrating for me also, for you guys also, as you guys are not able to hear me properly, right? So let's do one thing. Let's leave it today, and we will do it tomorrow. I will just check with my Wi-Fi. Okay, I will make sure that it will not happen tomorrow. Let me just type it. Let me just type it.
Now it is clear, ma'am.
But it will lag again now because Jio is not working properly in my area right now.
We don't know, it is fluctuating, yes.
है ना?
Ma'am, I have one question. What is the difference between NumPy and Panda, ma'am?
NumPy is for numerical computation and Pandas is for the data sets. Both are used for data manipulation. Please check chat box, everyone, and acknowledge it, okay? Yes, yes. Let me just give you guys this because recording will be uploaded and we will start from there only. Okay? Before that the concept is clear now. Before that the concept is clear, I will start from this particular point only because you guys are going to get the recording for that. Okay? Great. Okay, then let me just give you guys a feedback form because you guys are getting the recordings for this session. So feedback form you guys can fill. Give me a second now. I have sent it that on WhatsApp as well.